Hello students, today we are going to do question number 9 of exercise 1.1 class 7. Use the sign of greater than, lesser than or equal to in the box to make the statements true. The first statement is -8 plus -4, and on the right hand side we have -8 minus -4. In this, we will take the left hand side separately and solve it, right hand side separately and solve it, and then we will compare कि इनमें से greater than, lesser than या equal to कौन सा sign आएगा. So if we talk of -8 plus -4, this plus minus is always minus. So -8 -4 and two negative numbers, they get added up with the negative sign. So this will be -12. On the right hand side, -8 minus -4, minus ब्रैकेट के अंदर बाहर अगर दोनों जगह पे माइनस साइन है तो दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन of two negative numbers which becomes positive. So this is -8 plus 4. तो इस तरीके से माइनस माइनस हमेशा प्लस हो जाता है. And whenever there is a positive and a negative number, we always subtract them. And the sign of the bigger looking number comes. So -8 plus 4 will subtract and the sign of -8 will come. So this will give -4. तो अगर हमें actually compare करना है -12 and -4 को, जब भी इंटीजर नेगेटिव होता है तो उसकी वैल्यू ऑपोजिट हो जाती है. What I mean is, अगर 12 4 से बड़ा है तो -12 -4 से छोटा हो जाता है. नेगेटिव साइन के साथ जितना नंबर बड़ा लगता है एक्चुअली वो उतना छोटा होता है. सो -12 is less than -4. So in this we will write -8 plus -4 is less than -8 minus -4. B part, -3 plus 7 minus 19, and on the right hand side we have 15 minus 8 plus -9. So let's take the left hand side first. So -3 plus 7 minus 19. Let's bring all the negative numbers together. That will make the calculations more easier. तो हम 19 को सामने ले आते हैं and 7 को पीछे ले जाते हैं. Now -3 and -19, that is -22. Two negative numbers, they get added up with the negative sign. Now there is one positive, one negative. So we will subtract and the sign of the bigger looking number will come. So 22 minus 7, that is 15, and with a minus sign. This is -15. Now let's take up the right hand side. 15 minus 8 plus minus, that is -9, or 15, two negative numbers get added up with the negative sign. So 15 minus 17, and that is one positive, one negative, so it will subtract, so it is -2. Now in -15 and -2, as I have already explained you, नेगेटिव नंबर्स में जो नंबर जितना बड़ा दिखता है एक्चुअली उतना छोटा होता है. सो -15 इज लेस देन -2, और वी कैन से -3 plus 7 minus 19 is less than 15 minus 8 plus -9. C part, 23 minus 41 plus 11 and 23 minus 41 minus 11. So if we look at the left hand side, we can bring the positive numbers together. 23 plus 11 minus 41. Minus 41 को पीछे ले जाते हैं, 11 को सामने ले आते हैं. It is only for the ease of calculation. Otherwise you can do 23 minus 41 also and then solve with 11. Now 23 and 11, so that is going to be 34. So 34 minus 41 एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा with the sign of the bigger number. So this is going to come as -7. On the right hand side, 23 minus 41 minus 11, two negative numbers will get added up with the negative sign. So 23 minus 52. Now one positive, one negative, we will have subtraction, and since 52 is the bigger looking number, minus sign will come. So if you do 52 minus 23, then it will be 29 and with a minus sign. So if we compare -7 and -29, as I told you, negative numbers में the smaller number is actually the bigger number with a negative sign. So -7 is greater than -29, or here we can say 23 minus 41 plus 11 is greater than 23 minus 41 minus 11. D part, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15, and the right hand side is 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So let's begin with the left hand side first. So 39 plus minus is minus 24 minus 15, or two negative numbers, they get added up with the negative sign. So 24 plus 15, that is 39. 39 minus 39 is coming as 0. Right hand side, 36 plus minus is minus, so minus 52, minus minus is plus, so plus 36. So 36 plus 36 minus 52, that is 72 minus 52, which is 20. In 0 and 20, definitely 0 is less than 20, or we can say this is less than this. Let's go through the rule once more. So suppose you have a plus minus b. In that case, plus minus will always give minus. This will be minus b. If you have a minus b, which means b is positive, then also this minus plus, it will become minus. But if we have a minus minus b, then in that case this minus minus becomes plus. So this is going to be a plus b. So you can always keep this in mind while solving these type of questions in which bracket is there. A part, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, and we have minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So in this, let's take the left hand side first. So we will add 79 and 51. That will give us 130. Now minus 231 plus 130, there will be subtraction with the negative sign. So this is coming as minus 101. On the right hand side, we have minus 399 and plus 159 plus 81, that is 240. Now minus 399 and plus 240, there will be subtraction with a negative sign. So this is minus 159. Now if we want to compare minus 101 and minus 159, minus 101 is a greater number. So we can write minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 is greater than minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.